In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi driver missing in Windows. If your Wi-Fi is not working because the driver is missing, try these steps. First, restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can reload missing drivers. Second, check Device Manager. Press Windows plus X, then click Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. If you see a yellow warning or unknown device, right-click it and select Update Driver. Third, update or reinstall the driver. In Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, then uninstall device. Restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver automatically. Or go to manufacturer's website like Intel, Realtek, Dell, HP to manually download the latest Wi-Fi. Fourth, use Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Install any available updates, especially optional driver updates. Fifth, run the network troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, run the network adapters troubleshooter. And lastly, check BIOS UEFI. Restart and enter BIOS UEFI, usually pressing F2, delete, or escape at startup. Make sure the wireless adapter is enabled. And that's it. That's how you fix Wi-Fi driver missing in Windows.